Now let's talk about the story of Google. The founders, Page and Brin, they didn't even set out to create one of the greatest software companies in the world. They didn't even start out seeking to revolutionize the way we search. They were just collaborating with Stanford Digital Library, and their goal was to figure out how to prioritize library searches online. And their innovation was that the best way to prioritize information was to measure how many other citations refer to a source. Now, this, of course, became the backbone of Google as we know it today. But back in 1997, Page wanted to sell this technology to Excite for $1.6 million. But the CEO of Excite turned them down when they could not sell this technology at all. So in 1997, they decided to launch their own company, Google. And after they launched the company for a while, they were just doing banner ads like everyone else. However, at one point, while they were trying to figure out their perfect revenue model, they borrowed this idea of AdWords, auction-based ad placement on their search engine, and they borrowed this idea from Overture. And this idea alone doubled their revenue in 3 weeks, and Google became a runaway success. Now, as you might notice, the wins in case of Google came scattered, few and far between, because small wins do not emerge in a linear fashion. They cannot be predicted or planned, and you cannot just build on one another. They're scattered. You have to think of them like footholds. They allow us to learn and adapt as we go. And we discover new strategies and plans through an emergent process rather than a fully formulated plan before we begin. So we have to understand that small wins are really crucial in the long-term success of our project, and they will be scattered all around, but we've got to be able to use them as they come.